plug it in for X, plug it in for X. If they give you a number, then you plug it in for X. Put it in the calculator, get the number that it shows. Got a pencil in my hand, mark the answer that I know. X, X, X. They give me a table, I plug it in for X. An equation or coordinates, I plug it in for X. Word problem, I don't care, I just plug it. I'd like to put this number for X. Hey now, put parentheses. If they give me a table, plug it in for X. Parentheses calculator, find the number it gives. If I have an equation, plug it in when I want. If they give me a number, plug it in for X. I plug it in for plug it in. Find the X, find the Y, find the number, plug it in. They give a word problem, match the letter with the word parentheses, plug it in. Calculator, let's go. Plug it. All you do is plug it. You can plug it in till the whole wide world ends. Parentheses, then you put the number in. Find the X, find the Y, find the number that it gives. Plug it. I'd like to put this number for X. Hey now, put parentheses. If they give me a table, plug it in for X. Parentheses calculator, find the number it gives. If I have an equation, plug it in when I want. If they give me a number, plug it in for X. I plug it in for X.